Today I want to show that magic you to that come with me. Okay, so I want to show that these things. This is very most important appliances at your home. So check it. Cover is also very important. You have to cover with your washing machine. Some things you know that the dust and everything has uh, uh, that like upcoming your washing machine. So cover is also very important. Cover in your washing machine always, and that you need for washing a cloth. That time open the cover and again you finish your washing and again you cover your washing machine. So firstly, you know that this is very important. This is very important appliance in household work, and you know that your work are very easier through this washing machine. And my opinion that this is my washing machine is front loaded washing machine, and I don't know anybody have front loaded and top up loaded. So my machine is top loaded and lot of function. You check that firstly you come in numbers. One is daily, heavy, delicate, whites, just like buttons, press that. Stainless, stain boss, antibacteria, bullens, bed sheet, range plus. Just I saw your importance of buttons. You know that. So you know every things are very reliable through this machine, and a lot of importance and benefit for this machine. So I some things deal that you just like very convenience. You know that. That is the work of very easier in clothes, and a lot of clothes in one time you wash that. And also this is a electricity basis of a low temperature. That type of machines are going on that time. And hygiene, mostly you know that you have a lot of problem through the hygiene. So this is very hygienic. You know that I show the button of bacteria, so kill the bacteria in your clothes and many types of bacteria that is coming in your so that is very hygienic also, and more easier for your life when you are going on anywhere that a lot of clothes have to dirty. That time you have to use this machine and your life is very easier and very comfortable, and you have a less time and you save your time and learn another things. That time you are you are washing a cloth in your hand, a lot of times pass in your clothes washing. So this is also very important for your less work, less things. So I think that every woman everywhere, this is also a purpose of then every are doing a job that have not lot of time, so that is use of washing machine. But the who is also house chores work are doing at a home only, that is also very important. You have to use washing machine. And everybody, I am not used, so that I am giving a just like so you saw that a less of key feature of you, a smart watch technology, just like remote and remote uses. That type of washing machine also is going on in that time. And inverter less than you just like, so that 5 star. So inverters less than bijli are taken through this washing machine. I didn't showing your advertisement. You know कि this is a LG company 5G. I am also only showing that this is very important in your everybody life. Every woman have to your work is easier and very less time to giving a time of your cloth washing in hand. So also use a washing machine. So I want to show that in other parts, just like surf. Surf has also in this place are keep, and that is off the machine and set your number, just like who is this want that type of cloth, just like set the number and start a washing machine. So thank you. So please like and subscribe my channel, and so this is also important to just like your notes and everything. Please watch my video, like and subscribe.